What is going on YouTube? Hayden back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we have to talk about XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, as well as the S&P 500. As you guys know, the S&P opens in about an hour from the time of recording this video, maybe 30 minutes from the time you see this video. But there's a chance, I don't know particularly, but there's a chance we could correct up. This week is definitely going to be the biggest week for us within cryptocurrency. It's pretty much going to determine, hey, are we going to see a bounce or are we going to dump? And I mean dump to the downside. Specifically, these cryptos here, you can see XRP, Ethereum, and Bitcoin have all formed some sort of descending fractal. Now, typically, ascending fractals break bearish, as we've seen, and descending fractals typically break bullish. And that's really what we're all relying on here, is that the XRP chart is slowly scaling down to bottom support, which you can see is a very strong support at that. We had triple bottom action here the last time, and we broke bullish. We're coming back down to retest it again, also creating a double bottom and bouncing off bottom support right here. There's a big chance we will hit this and rally up, which is exciting, and that's what I'm hoping for. But if we do not see the bounce off here and recovery, we will see a very detrimental correction to the downside, which I'm hoping is not going to happen here. But honestly, I'm not a fortune teller. I don't know. I just try to make my own trades and, show you guys. There's a chance we could hopefully see a very small one, a bounce, and that's what we're all hoping for. And I'm hoping for, and I'm biased, because I want my crypto to go up. But there is a big chance we could dump below here, and that's the scary thing. And this could happen in all the cryptos. It could happen within Ethereum. It could happen within Bitcoin. And it could happen within the S&P 500, pulling us down to 3,900 points, if not even lower, down to 3,700. We don't know. And that's the scary part about these cryptos. But we're going to try to talk about this all today, answer these questions, so on and so forth. With that all being said, guys, definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's jump into today's episode. So guys, super quick before we dive into today's video, my second channel, I just dropped a video this morning. Hopefully you guys watched it. I posted on my Instagram, which is Crypto Hayden, link in the description. But as you can see here, we're at 740 subscribers. We're only 18 videos in, not doing too bad. And I just dropped a video this morning called China's Massive Economy is About to Crash, Collapse is Imminent. It's a very critical video. It's quite interesting. I feel like a lot of people do not realize whatsoever what's going on in China, and it's astonishing to see other countries and what they go through. But ideally, the reason we talked about China's economy here is how it could inevitably affect ours and the value of the US dollar and crypto and everything like that. So I highly recommend you guys go check out this video right here. Link will be down in the description for my second channel. Go give it a watch, give it a comment, let me know what you think. Let me know, say you're from Crypto TV so I know who you are, and I will definitely leave a comment, responding to you. So definitely go check this out. But moving forward here, you can see top 10 cryptocurrencies, everything is pretty much consolidating again. We had a very, very, very big correction on the 7-day charts here, 6%, 5% down, 5.8%, 3, 5. We're not doing too well in regards to the weekly charts, but we were expecting to see a correction, a pullback, a necessary one at that. However, you can see we are consolidating right now because I do believe this is the lowest point we're going to see. As you guys know, we were talking about the possibilities of a correction, why we needed a correction, because we were getting close to overbought, filling out the gaps here. We needed to see some sort of pullback to allow us to head up even higher. The unfortunate part is here that we're coming back down a little bit lower than we expected here, and we're coming very close to our bottom support here. And the ideal goal is that XRP bounces off this support, this price floor, and we swing to the upside. Regardless, either direction we move to, one of two ways, is going to have big volume. We're going to either see a big run or we're going to see the opposite, a big dump, one of the two. But regardless, we'll be prepared, we'll be ready to trade it, and we'll be able to make profit off of that. So we're not trading anymore inside of this. Trades are done. XRP clearly got stopped out, about time, finally caught up with Ethereum and Bitcoin here. We're not trading anymore on these cryptos. We need to wait for us to fill in the gap this week and get a decision. If we, at any point, break through bottom support here, the price floor, I will be shorting this. I will be shorting this on BitYard to the downside. However, if we can break and rally up, and I'm going to confirm this channel here, we break above 33 cents, I will be buying in long to leverage this back up because I believe we will see a big rally up to 41 cents. That's what I'm hoping to see happen here. And I think it will. Truthfully, I don't see why the S&P will continue to drop lower. I mean, it very well can, and it obviously has, but I think it's temporary, and I'm hoping we're able to close today above here. That's my goal. I really hope we close the S&P above this resistance currently today, and we start to rally back to the upside here. So that's pretty much what will influence XRP. So keep your eyes peeled on this support. If we break below this, we're going to see a dump. But if we close above, not only outside of this channel, I need 2 confirmations to be conservative. This channel here, if we break through this resistance, then we'll see a rally. Expected target at about 41 cents here. So keep your eyes peeled. Obviously, we're doing all these trades on Bityard, the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging website that I like to use here on the channel. Not only do they offer Bitcoin, they have Ethereum, XRP, Polkadot, Chainlink, Cardano, and so many more here of the major cryptos. And they also have tons of altcoins. The best part, and this is what I recommend a lot of people do, and I really don't like to give financial advice at all. And it's not really financial advice. It's just a way to benefit yourself. They offer a demo account here. You can see if you click demo, they give you $100,000 in Monopoly money to test your skills. So if you're new to trading or you're old to trading, but you want to just see if you still got what it takes, or you want to test how well you've been trading, this is a way to do it for free that doesn't cost anything and there's no risk. Obviously, you can risk losing your Monopoly money, but there's no risk. If you lose it all, make a new account. Simple as that. So I highly recommend checking that out. If you do become successful on it, because this is how I started, then feel free. It's up to you to try the live account with Real Crypto and go from there. But a way to fund that in the beginning is by, once you sign up with the link in the description, click mystery box here to get some free crypto. It's super cool. Highly recommend you check it out. Bityard is the platform to use. Now, moving forward, we talked about XRP here. It's also in line with things like Ethereum and Bitcoin. We're now starting to see a descending fractal where prices are falling to the downside here, filling in the gap here. And I do believe at the end of this tunnel here, we should see a rally to the upside. What I'm looking for, honestly, is sideways consolidation till September 6th, which is next week. And then I believe we'll break through this and rally up. And I do think we're going to have a target of about $1,700 here. But again, we break through this and we break through the floor here. We're going to see a very, very, very fast and critical dump to $1,000, and it's going to be nasty. But it all comes down to this over here. Are we going to break through it? Or are we going to break above? Same thing with Bitcoin. It's a very, very, very similar trend. The scary part with Bitcoin, unlike Ethereum, this is the lowest point. XRP is almost there, just like Bitcoin is. This is the lowest point. We had a beautiful triple bottom. You can see here why this is a very, very, very critical support is because this triple bottom that we had here. 19,000 seems to be more of a support than $20,000 is. So that's what we're looking for. You can see this descending fractal, and again, ascending fractals break bearish, descending fractals break bullish here. So once again, we're now oversold. So we are making good, good territory. We are in good levels here. We were getting very close to overbought before. Here we are near oversold. So we're looking for a break either below this support or above it to start to see a rally. So if we can break through this, then we're going to see a very critical dump to the downside, and we will be in a really, really, really bad position in a bear market, and things are not going to be looking good. However, if we could break through it and hold support again, because we thought we were, recovering, but just as quickly as it, or just as long, this took days, and I mean, or if not weeks, this took 62 months to get there, and we were able to get rid of it in 2 weeks. So 2 months, 60 days we lost all of that in 2 weeks. But we're now here, and that flash correction should pop off. I'm hoping to a target over in this level here. My only worry is when you take a step back and look at like the overall charts here, you can see we're in a much bigger issue. We're in a much bigger descending fractal. But like I said, descending fractals typically break bullish. So if we're able to regain some momentum, retest this resistance here, break through, we should pop off to about 40K, 38K. That's what I'm excited for, and that's what I'm waiting for. We've been flatlined out on oversold. It's almost due to correct up, and that's really what I'm waiting for. But that's a very, 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 very big resistance you can see here. So this also ends right at about October, the beginning of October. So lots and lots and lots to look at, lots to pay attention to. S&P opens in about a half an hour from the time of recording, like I said right now. So you might actually see this when the market's open, but it's going to be interesting. But I think it all relies on the S&P. And after seeing this major correction here, typically, at least when we were rallying up, when we were in a bullish run to the upside here, what I was noticing is the corrections we had did not get us into oversold. We fell to like 44 consistently. Here, here, here. You know, you just go through it. And here we are again hitting a resistance of overbought. So this is about 42. So this looks good. I'm hoping that this is it with this bullish cross that we had here, that we can reverse out of this and then see a run. But we'll see how that goes. That's going to wrap up today's video, guys. Definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.